hope you're all doing good. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Let's start our video with a nice quote. Life is a journey, not a race. Today we're making butter cookies. I love butter cookies. Here are the ingredients. Half cup or 120 gram unsalted butter. 1/4 cup or 60 grams sugar. 3 pinches of salt. 1 egg yolk. 1 tablespoon of heavy cream. 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. 1 cup or 125 grams of cake flour. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now let's start making the butter cookies. Take a big bowl and add butter. Now add sugar into the bowl. And add salt. Now mix it well with a spatula. Also use a hand blender to mix it well until you see it like creamy and puffy. Now add egg yolk. Now add cream. Also add vanilla essence. Now mix it well again with the hand blender. Now add some cake flour. And add cornstarch. Once you add all the flour, mix it well. After mixing it well, transfer the dough into the piping bag. Now the piping bag is ready. Now let's prepare the cookie tray. Apply butter on the tray so the cookies won't stick. Spread some flour on the tray. After you spread the flour, design the cookies. Here are my cookie designs. Now it's time to put the tray in the oven. Preheat the oven at 170 degrees Celsius. Once preheated, put the tray in the oven for 15 to 18 minutes. After 18 minutes, you'll see nice baked cookies. I also have a few cookies with jam on it. Enjoy the cookies and have a nice week.